Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best magic eraser is probably one of the most versatile cleaning tools you can have in your home, capable of tackling everything from stubborn scuff marks on walls and crayon drawings to soap scum in the bathroom and even baked-on grease in the kitchen. Its unique micro-abrasive technology works like magic, lifting away dirt and grime without the need for harsh chemicals, making it a go-to solution for quick and effective cleaning tasks. This review will dive deep into what makes this product stand out and whether it truly lives up to its magical reputation. Number 5. Magic Sponges Cleaning Eraser, 50-pack. Introducing our revolutionary cleaning eraser, a pack of 50 powerful cleaning pads. It's designed to tackle all your cleaning needs without any harsh chemicals. Forget about abrasive cleaners. Simply add water to these sponges, and they're ready to work. Just moisten, squeeze, and wipe away dirt effortlessly. Cleaning up after use is a breeze. Just rinse the sponge with water, and the dirt is released, allowing you to reuse it again and again. Need a specific size or shape? You can easily cut these sponges to fit any cleaning task. Let your imagination guide you to tackle dirt anywhere. These sponges are incredibly versatile, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, walls, furniture, and even car interiors. They effortlessly remove grease, dirt, and dust from various surfaces. Remember to use them gently and avoid scrubbing hard surfaces like car paint or screens. They are designed for effective cleaning without damage. What we like? This cleaning sponge is perfect for those who want a chemical-free cleaning experience. It requires only water, making it safe for use around children and pets. If you are looking for an eco-friendly and versatile cleaning solution that can be customized to any size, you should consider this option. What people say. Magic Clean Eraser is a great product that works wonders on tough stains. The eraser is easy to use and effective on a variety of surfaces. It's a must-have for any household cleaning needs. Number 4. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Bathroom Cleaner. Introducing the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, your ultimate cleaning companion. It tackles tough messes with ease, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. Experience the refreshing scent of Febreze lavender as it cleans. This unique formula not only removes dirt but also leaves a pleasant aroma. Designed specifically for your bathroom and shower areas. It effortlessly removes soap scum, water stains, and grime from tiles and fixtures. Don't forget your shoes. This versatile cleaner can bring back the shine to your favorite footwear, making them look like new again. Featuring advanced Durafoam technology, these cleaning pads provide a deep clean without scratching. They are built to last and handle demanding jobs. Get more cleaning power with this convenient 10-count pack. You'll have plenty on hand for all your cleaning needs around the house. What we like? If you want a cleaning experience that leaves your bathroom smelling fresh and clean, this is the one for you. Its specialized Durafoam technology tackles tough bathroom grime effectively. Consider this if you are looking for a convenient way to keep your bathroom sparkling and fragrant. What people say. Magic Clean Eraser is a great product that works well on various surfaces. The eraser is easy to use and effectively removes tough stains. It's a versatile cleaning tool that can be used for multiple purposes. Number 3. 6-pack Damp Clean Duster Sponge. Tired of dust scattering everywhere? Our damp duster sponges absorb dust and debris effectively, making your cleaning process much cleaner and easier. They are designed to prevent dust from spreading, ensuring a spotless home. Using these sponges is incredibly simple. Just wet them, wipe, and rinse clean. They are designed to be easily restored after each use, making them a sustainable choice for your household cleaning needs. Our unique sponges feature a special ridged surface designed to capture dust more effectively. This professional design helps you tackle even the most stubborn dust and grime with ease. These soft, dampened sponges are perfect for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Use them on blinds, furniture, windows, glass, and even your car for a thorough clean. This package includes 6 duster sponges. They may arrive dry or damp, which is normal. Simply soak them in water for a minute before use to activate their superior cleaning power. Made from PVA material, these sponges absorb water quickly and efficiently. Their porous nature ensures they pick up messes without smearing, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. What we like? This product is ideal for anyone who struggles with dust and fine debris. Its high absorbency and unique ridge design trap dust effectively without scattering it. If you are looking for a specialized tool to keep surfaces like blinds, fan blades, and window tracks free of dust, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great product that works really well. It is very effective at cleaning tough stains. The eraser is easy to use and leaves surfaces looking like new. Number 2. Magic Sponge Eraser 10 PCS. Introducing the Magic Sponge Eraser, a powerful cleaning tool designed for your home. Tackle messes with ease and discover a new way to clean. From your kitchen and bathroom to furniture and even your car, these sponges are perfect for a wide range of surfaces. They handle everything from grease to grime. Stubborn stains on glass, tile, or metal are no match for this cleaning sponge. It effectively removes dirt and soap scum without damaging surfaces. Simply wet, squeeze, and wipe away messes. The convenient size can be cut to fit smaller areas, making cleaning effortless. Crafted from high-density melamine foam, these sponges are built to last. Their increased density ensures better cleaning power and durability. These scrub sponges are reusable, simply rinse and they're ready for the next job. Enjoy long-lasting performance with every use. What we like. For those who need a durable and effective cleaning solution for a variety of tasks, this is an excellent choice. Its high-density melamine foam ensures it lasts longer and cleans tougher stains. If you are looking for a reliable sponge that can handle everything from kitchen grease to scuff marks on shoes, consider this. What people say. Magic Clean Eraser is a great product that works well on tough stains. The eraser is easy to use and effective at removing scuff marks and dirt. It's also very durable and lasts a long time, making it a good value for money. Number 1. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Extra Durable Cleaning Scrubber. Tired of stubborn marks and grime? Discover the cleaning power that makes messes disappear like magic. It's your go-to solution for a spotless home. From scuffs on walls to soap scum in the shower, this versatile cleaner tackles it all. It's designed to handle tough jobs all around your house. Don't let tough messes worry you. This powerful scrubber effectively removes dirt and stains without damaging surfaces. Experience a new level of clean. Keep your kitchen sparkling and your bathroom pristine. It's also great for refreshing sneakers and making walls look new again. Your all-purpose cleaning companion. Get more cleaning done with fewer pads. These extra durable sponges are built to last, providing consistent cleaning power. Enjoy a cleaner home, effortlessly. Stock up and save with this convenient 7-count pack. You'll always have the cleaning power you need on hand. Get ready for a truly magical clean. What we like. This is your go-to for a tough, all-around cleaning job. Its extra durability means it can handle rigorous scrubbing on various surfaces like walls, sneakers, and kitchen appliances. If you need a reliable workhorse for general household cleaning that won't fall apart easily, this is the one to pick. What people say. Magic Clean Eraser is a great product that works well on various surfaces. The eraser is easy to use and effectively removes tough stains. It's a versatile cleaning tool that can be used for multiple purposes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.